Where my light at? Where my light at? Where my light at? What is up, YouTube? Today, the weather's not that great. There ain't gonna be a whole lot of flying in this video. Ow! This is just gonna be strictly a vlog. I'm not gonna do any flying. So let's continue with the vlog. Psych! There's gonna be flying in this video. So we're out here. I don't really know if we're gonna do vlogging or flying. What do you guys like? Vlogging? Yeah. Or you like flying? Yeah. How about some more flying? Are y'all watching this? All right, just kidding. So, back to the vlog. Harrison's throwing props at me. You're ruining my vlog, kid. This is why you don't ever get no plug on my channel.
Props to you, Tony. Props. Subscribe to him.
Get into focus, Kent.
What's up?
Do your best job. You like vlogging or just flying or both?
Both.
Both. All right, we're going with both.
Party like Chris Farley.
Yay, the GoPro's okay. I'm taking a poll. Bitches. Mike, what do you like? Flying or vlogging?
Chicks.
Chicks. This has to be drone related.
Oh, okay. Chicks flying drones in bikinis.
I can't help you there. But
I don't think that exists.
we're skipping Mike because he won't give us an honest answer. How about you, Paul? What do you like?
Flying.
Flying. No vlogs.
No vlogs.
Flying for Paul. Here we go. All right, moving on. Christian, what do you like? Vlogging or flying?
I like flying, and I also gonna agree with Mike.
Chicks
Chicks in bikinis.
Chicks in bikinis. Okay.
Basically flying.
We'll be sure. We can't put that in the video because somebody might be watching. Hopefully nobody's wife watches my channel. So let's do some vlogging and chicks for Christian.
3, 2, 1.
Upside down, boy, you turn me inside out and round and round.
I got you.
How about you? What? I know your name, but remind me.
Michael.
I wanted to make sure. Okay, this is Michael. Do you like vlogging or flying?
Flying.
Flying. Okay, flying for Michael. Here we go. All right, I think I have taken a poll. Wait, I got one more. Andrew.
Zoom out.
Andrew's too busy ripping. Is that his name, Andrew? Yes.
Dad, zoom out.
Andrew's ripping. How did I get zoomed in? We'll get with Andrew in a second. I take it he likes flying because that's what he's doing at the moment.
Yep.
Yep. So we'll get back to him. So here we go. One more time with the flying. Okay, that camera died. Now we're using the cell phone. How am I looking? Framing myself.
You are in frame more than you should be.
Is it zoomed in?
No, you should. Yeah.
Is it good?
It's fine.
It's good. All right. So you remember?
Sounds like Mike's.
You're hopefully
You suck at this.
hopefully that footage is on the other thing. But you remember the Risky Biscuits video where Harrison had picked up the quad? I can't get it to work. So maybe it has to be just Harrison doing
Not
it.
special, dude. You just gotta do it.
I
with,
think
like,
it's just Harrison.
you gotta do like some specially. You gotta go.
Special?
Yeah, you gotta like.
That didn't work. That didn't work either. Go slow.
Oh,
Go
okay,
real
hold on.
slow. Real slow.
Hold on, it's like really hard to do. It's,
Maybe you should like come halfway and then go back.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, I think I seen it.
Did you see it?
I did.
Did
Try
you
it
really?
again.
Okay.
Do it real slow.
This is it. I feel it.
This is it. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to Christian. Where you at? I'm going to put his channel at the end because he asked very nicely. And whatever you do, do not subscribe to
Him.
him. That's Harry.